Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on copper. COMEX copper price was moving in falling channel along with price taking support at $4 on downside along with break in its nearby resistance at $4.26 indicate short-term trend is bullish. MCX copper price is moving in higher low formation along with break in its nearby resistance indicate short-term trend is bullish. However, any break above 823 level will surge the price further up till 832 and 839 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 809 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.